Hi guys, welcome back to Naomi's Fake Cooking Show, and today I'm going to show you how to make homemade vegan nachos. Over here I have a plate of chips, and over here I have refried beans. I add some water to make it thin, not like the one in the can when you open it so thick. So I add some water and some garlic and onion powder. And over here we have cashew cheese. Hummus. Also, we have corn, black olives, salsa, jalapeno, and vegan cheese. I also have quinoa. You can barely see. Can you guys see it?
Mm-hmm.
They're homemade. And then 1 head of lettuce, fake chicken. That is and it's not animal-based, it's plant-based fake chicken. And then tomato and guacamole. In this guacamole I have salsa and salt and pepper and garlic powder. And you could also add some lime or lemon if you guys like. And today I did some lemon, a couple drop of lemon and the guacamole. So let's go ahead and start with the plate of chip. I go ahead and do the beans first. So get some beans in every chip if you can. Just spread around.
This is where the hot water comes in that you mixed into it to make it thinner, so you can actually pour it a little bit onto the chips.
Yes, and then I don't know if I will tell you guys, I put some garlic and onion powder as well. And here, so to make it taste better and not bitter. And next I'm going to do the quinoa. You can do however you like. I just had all the stuff because my family liked them all, so you just decide what you want and just put it on your plate, and then just go ahead and spread. And then, this is next. Next I'm going to do black olive. And then I'm going to spread it around as well. And then, after that I'm going to do some fake cheese. You guys can see almost like the cheese that the animal-based cheese, but this is vegan. And then I just spread it around. So yeah, I found this at a grocery store, so I don't know if you guys have this at your grocery store. And jalapeno that I dice a little bit. Or you can get the diced one already, but this one is a slice, but I choose to dice it today. And then put it in. Just spread around. And then I'll do some fake chicken. Same thing, spread all over. Otherwise, you have a big chunk and big thing of it in one bite. And then next thing, I'm going to do the guacamole. You can see. This is so, there you go. Okay, after this, I'm going to do some lettuce and just spread on top of it, drop it in the cashew cheese. Just spread around. And then I'm going to put cashew cheese on top. I'm going to take the lettuce away. And I think I'm done. Okay. You can choose to put more stuff if you like, but today I'm going to do refried beans, cashew cheese, vegan cheese, jalapeno, and fake chicken. And I also did the quinoa and lettuce today. So yeah, you can see
Yum.
And next week, I'm going to teach you guys how to make this cashew cheese. It's non-dairy. I use almond milk, so hope you guys can come and see this recipe. And see you guys next time. Bye.